Welcome back, guys. You're welcome. I'm AIPTECH. As you know, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install your AutoCAD Architecture 2024. As you can see in the video, so I'm going to show you how to install it. So before we get started, if you're just joining us for the first time, you can just subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. So I'm going to walk you through how to install and activate AutoCAD Architecture 2024. So let's get started. So first you come to your version threat protection. So turn off every of the virus and threat protection. Make sure you turn it off, everything, as you all know. So turn everything off. Alright, so also come to your firewall and network protection. Turn off everything. Turn off the network domain network. Turn off the private network, public. Turn everything off. After you have turned it off, make sure you are not connected to the internet. As I do say in every of my video, make sure you're not connected. So click on the file. Alright, so extract the file. Extract here. So to get access to this software, kindly click the link in this comment section of this video. Alright, so click on this setup. Right click and run it as administrator. So we have to wait till it pop up. Alright, so let's wait. So check this and click on next. Click on install. So we wait for it to install the AutoCAD Architecture 2024. So we wait for it. So okay, let's just wait. Alright, it has successfully installed. So we're waiting for it to finalize the installation. Okay. Alright, so let's just wait for it a little bit. So this video is for you if you're an architectural engineer that you want to learn how to install. So this video is for you. So don't launch it immediately. Close it and go back to your folder. So the next thing is to go back to the folder. Alright, so let's locate the folder. So come back to the folder, to the software folder, and go to the crack folder. Click on Autodesk license patcher. Click on the installer and run it as administrator. This process is the process of cracking the software. So without doing this, the software will not work. So you have to wait. So you wait until this finish cracking the software. So let's wait for it. Alright, it's successfully completed. So now we can now go to your software. You can click on any of the three. So right click it and then run it as administrator. So we wait for it to pop up. Click on OK. Alright, so it has popped up. So click on network license and then okay, let's wait for it to load the software. Okay. Alright, so let's do some testings. Alright, can you see that it's working perfectly? The installation is completed and it's working perfectly. So let's do some testings. Let's check some other things. Okay, let's check. So as an architectural engineer, you know what to do in this aspect to test it. So you can see. So let's test every other things. Let me try and zoom it a little bit to see. Can you see it's working? So don't mind me. I'm not an architectural engineer, so I'm just playing with the components. So can you see? Alright, so can you see? So let's check Let's check the license whether it's fully cracked. So let's check. Can you see permanent? And the license expiration is none. That means it's not expiring anytime soon. So can you see how we install? And that's it. That's how to install it. So if you find this video very helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And also to get access to this software, kindly click the link that will be dropped in the comment section of this video.